Now this is the main window where all the working of the project is done. This is the main view, and this is basically my default view, in which at one side you can see the tabular form, and at other side you can see the chart form. So this is the main window, and you at the bottom of the window you can see that there's a small thing which is the schedule related to the scheduling. Either is a auto schedule or manual schedule. We have already covered this concept. So I'm going to select auto schedule as my default scheduling technique. And this next thing I'm going to enter few active. For example, my first activity is A, second activity is B, third activity is C. Now, when I enter the activity, you can see that there is the today's date is selected as the default project start date. You can change that date also. For example, if I want the project to start, let's say 5 days early or 6 days early, I can also do that. So if I select that, it will give an error, or it will ask you that are you sure if you want to change the project, and I am sure, so I will select OK. And then you can see that all the activities are arranged accordingly. This activity has been shifted to the 16th of February, but these two activities are still at the same point. It's because we have not entered their relationship with the previous activities. So whenever we enter the relationship, it will set them accordingly. Now, another method of entering the project information is this tab. This tab basically allows you to enter the project information, basic information about the project. So click on it, and this a window will be popped up. This information tab. Now, if you want to also enter the information related to project, sorry, activities, you can also do that from another method. There are two ways. First way is double click on the activity and the window will be popped up, and you can enter the detail related to for example, its duration, how many days it will take to complete. You can also enter the progress of that activity. You can also select the start date and end date. Remember that just need to select the start date, not the end date, because because when you select a start date and you enter the duration of the activity, it will the end date will be scheduled accordingly. So if I enter it, you can see that the end date is also changed because I've entered the duration of 4 days. So